In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase FPS in Ultra Kill. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on what to do if you want to increase the frame rate on Ultra Kill. So, Ultra Kill is not particularly demanding to run. It should run flawlessly on most modern PCs and laptops, and even if you have an older one, it should still perform well enough. But if you want to increase the FPS because it feels unplayable, then follow the instructions in this video. First of all, right-click the Windows icon and go over to Device Manager. Inside of Device Manager, you will have the display adapters, and after you open this menu, you will see what GPU your PC has. Now, I assume for most people who are having trouble running this game, this is going to be integrated graphics. If you have integrated graphics, right-click them, go over to Update Driver, and then just let Windows search automatically for drivers. Usually, this will be running flawlessly and there isn't much that you can do. But if you notice that you have NVIDIA or AMD GPUs, then you shouldn't be encountering too many issues. Make sure that you update the drivers, so you can go over to NVIDIA, click on drivers and update them here. Same for AMD, look for AMD drivers on Google and update them. And after this is done, performance should improve significantly. Something else that you can do is go over to the graphics settings in Windows. So go over to settings, system, display, and graphics, find Ultra Kill. I'm going to be demonstrating this with Borderlands 2 because I don't have Ultra Kill installed at the moment. But after you find Ultra Kill on this list, open it up, and then under GPU preference, make sure that you use high performance. After you are done with this, update DirectX from the Microsoft website and also Visual C++. Finally, for options inside of the game, you can copy these settings here related to the effects. So go over to the settings and under Gore settings, disable it. Make sure that all of this is disabled. Set both of these to 0. And then under performance settings, just enable all of them to make the graphics and particles much simpler, which means that they are going to be easier to render. I hope I was able to help you on how to increase FPS in Ultra Kill. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.